Welcome to Cooking with Granny and Mama Soul Kitchen. Today we have our Duke's potato salad. Everybody giving us all that hype about you gotta have Duke's to make potato salad. Okay, here we go. We got it. All right, so we have our chopped vegetables right here, which is onions and celery and green onions. And then we're going to go ahead and mix in about a cup and a half of this Duke's dressing right here, okay? Now, you can chop up as many onions as you need and what you want in your potato salad, but we also have some gherkins here. We heard we had to have gherkins, not relish, but we got some gherkins right here. They're like little sliced pickles, and they're very sweet, and they're delicious, actually. So we went on and diced those up, and we're going to go ahead. And as you see, these are perfectly, nicely bite-sized is how we like it. I heard that they actually sell them like this, but we haven't found them like that. I think they're called Mount Olives like that, but we haven't found them out here yet. So we went on and added the mayonnaise in that. We're going to also add in some sugar with the mayonnaise here, okay? Which I don't really understand about that because we use Miracle Whip here in California, and it's all right when we use, this salad dressing that we use for our potato salad. Now we go ahead and mix that up thoroughly with the sugar and all the mayonnaise with all the nice trimmings of the vegetables over here, okay, and the gherkins. Now we're going to add egg in there, but it's going to be later because we don't want it too mushy and we want it to be nice, right? So we went on and added our no salt seasoning as well. We got to have flavor within this, okay? No salt is going to be our no salt seasoning is going to be added onto our Mama Soul website this year pretty soon, okay? So look out for that. Now here are the gherkins. We're going to add them in there and make sure that they're all, look at that, nice and chunky. You want to have nice chunky potato salad, everybody. You want to be able to chew it. I ain't never seen nothing that I like that's like a soupy potato salad. Sometimes when you go to a birthday party or party at the church, sometimes it be runny. I'm not touching it. I'm not eating it, okay? We want it to like a nice consistency is what you see right here. Now, since we're going into almost 3 minutes into this video, we're going to go ahead and continue this with part 2 by adding in your boiled diced potatoes, and we're going to have them drained and put them in the refrigerator right there. See that? And they're going to be nice and cold. Put it in the refrigerator so it can be nice and cold when you add it to the salad dressing as well, everybody. You don't want warm potatoes added into it. It's going to make it runny. So stay tuned for part 2. Follow us on YouTube for a lot more.